Hi, this is Shalini. Let's check your Sitecore knowledge. Where to get pluggable themes in SXA. You can import themes from Creative Exchange. How SXA Asset Optimizer improves performance. By reducing amount of data that need to be transferred. What is the default grid system in SXA? SXA supports 3 default grid systems: Bootstrap, Foundation, Grid 960, and Custom. What are base themes? These are prototype themes listed in Content Window Sitecore, then Media Library, then base themes. Can I change base themes? No. What is the use of cloned rendering? You have an exact copy of the rendering definition item, rendering parameter template, data source templates, and branches. Now you can name and style it differently. For example, different promos styled differently. How many JSON data model rendering SXA has? It has 3 data model rendering: JSON content, list, and result. Why I need to switch to JSON device? This is first step to start JSON rendering. Do SXA follows Helix principles? Yes. What are site themes? Extensions of base themes. Who creates minified version of themes? Asset Optimizer. Why for each site theme I need to specify base theme? To define the basic characteristics and properties of the theme. What is multiple inheritance in SXA themes? You can define multiple parent themes for every single item. What is wireframe theme? This is SXA's default theme. Why it's recommended to enable Sitecore Asset Optimizer in production environment. It improves end user experience by reducing amount of data that need to be transferred by minification of CSS or script or theme files. What is the use of placeholder restrictions? To control the content that content owners can place in layout placeholders. How to set placeholder restrictions? You can set it in 2 ways: by creating new placeholder restrictions in the Experience Editor. Second, in the Content Editor, add a placeholder setting. Can you mix SXA and non-SXA website within a single Sitecore instance? Yes, but there are some challenges. Can SXA pages contain non-SXA page components? Yes. Is there a limit on the number of sites that you can have in a single SXA installation? No. What is bucket? It's a container of the items. Items in the bucket cannot be seen from the content tree. although you can search them. When to use bucket? When you prefer searching, when items are so many. When tree structure is not important, as items are easily and uniquely identified with name. How to install Sitecore CLI? This is the syntax. How to create JSS app with CLI? JSS create app name and React. Here React is for React.js app. You can specify Angular also. How to start JSS app? JSS start. How to create new JSS component? JSS scaffold component name. What is workflow? Workflow specifies steps to make any item publishable to live site. What are different states of workflow? Draft, waiting approval, approved. What are different commands of workflow? Submit, approve, reject. Give some example actions of workflow. Validation for reviewer, email to reviewer, email to editor, auto-publish. What are different roles required to create a workflow? Editor and reviewer. What are two different approaches to develop Sitecore JSS app? Sitecore first, code first. If you change just React component, then how to deploy that? JSS deploy files. If my options toolbar items are disabled, then what should I do? Configure. Go to Configure tab in toolbar. Click on Unprotect items. What is the difference between date and now? Date is the UTC date and now is the UTC date plus time string.